wiggle, wiggle.
Like.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Quad!
When I met you in the summer.
Hey, I didn't give you consent in that toilet.
I don't need consent. You're of age.
Get over here!
Are you still flapping those lips? I was just thinking, yo, did I give up a rib for this? Woman, I just don't know what your problem is. All I know is you're acting like a colossal bitch.
If this night forever, at least we are together. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone. Anywhere, whenever, we're still together. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm
Save me by swinging your sword. You think I'm crazy by risking my safety. From the very day I spawned into this world from the next, you could say I was nothing better than an ugly train wreck. Started out with nothing, no one, not fun. Punching wood blocks in the burning sun. When you're done, you take a hit. Cause it's not like it's like I got a wife and kids to enjoy it with. Cue in my friend charging toward me, sword drawn, let's go, it's on. Thought I was under attack, but it turns out he too just wanted a friend to watch his back. Turns out he too just wanted a friend to watch his back. I'm friends with the creeper that lives in my world. You can call me a weirdo, a loser, a nerd. Stop trying to save me by swinging your sword. You think I'm crazy by risking my safety. It's no